What actually makes a fighter jet fifth generation? Is it just stealth? Or something way more powerful? You've heard of jets like the F-22 and F-35, but fifth gen isn't just a label. It's a complete revolution in how air combat works. First, stealth. These jets are designed to be nearly invisible to radar. Special shaping and radar-absorbing materials let them strike before the enemy even knows they're there. Next, sensor fusion. Instead of overwhelming the pilot with data, the jet combines everything: radar, infrared targeting, into one clear picture. It's like having a supercomputer in the cockpit. Then there's supercruise. That means flying at supersonic speeds without afterburners. Faster response, longer range, and way harder to detect. Add extreme maneuverability. Advanced aerodynamics and thrust vectoring let these jets outturn almost anything in the sky. But here's the game changer: network warfare. Fifth-gen jets don't fight alone. They share data with other aircraft, drones, and ground forces in real time. So it's not just about being stealthy. It's about being smarter, faster, and more connected than anything before. And that's why fifth-generation fighters dominate the future of air combat. Subscribe to Strike Vector for more high-speed breakdowns of modern military aviation.